Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox this Canon M50, which I'm gonna be using for my next videos. I hope you enjoy it and you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So now let's open it. Woohoo! Let's see what we have inside. So we get this leaflet. We have this memory card, 32 gigabytes. We have the LPE 12 battery for the camera. We have the video microphone, which is a lightweight on-camera microphone, music. Next we got this box here. Ooh, yeah. And then we leave this a bit here. And we have the GorillaPod. Amazing. And that's it. Empty. Now we're gonna put this here. And what shall we open first? Let's open the battery first. In black. So we have here the camera body and the lenses. So we have the book, instruction book. Okay. So I'm guessing this is from the charger of the battery. Ooh, the camera body. Ooh, it's so lightweight. I think it weighs like 500 grams. Here we have it. Okay, it has this screen here. Which you can rotate to do vlogging, selfies. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have the camera strap. When you go outside and travel. Next, here we have the charger for the battery. So here we put the battery to charge and connect it with the cable. Alright, so oh, and we have another battery. Woohoo! Which is good because you need at least 2 batteries when you film, when you photo shoot. And here we have the lenses. There you go. So nice, very nice. So now we're gonna have to charge the battery. I'm gonna put it all together, the camera. I'm gonna do a sample video. I'm gonna come back right to you. Okay, so we have the battery charged. So now we're gonna put it all together and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so we have to set the date. Today is 11. Set. Yeah, and 2000. And okay, so now we set all the date and time, and we have here the image. We can see the autofocus. We just took a picture of the curtain. So now we will see how it looks in this camera. So we are back. We are now filming with the Canon M50. What do you guys think? I think it has a great quality of the image, of the autofocus. It's a very good size and shape, very lightweight. I think it's perfect. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this video? I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give it a like to this video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and be safe. Goodbye. So please let me know. Bye. So if you enjoyed this comment, please comment down below. So please, guys, let me know down. Okay, wait.